could ferry more students. Religious leaders rejected that, so only kindergartners through third graders will be bused come September. Next up, Paulsboro, where residents are learning that fog of vinyl chloride released in a train derailment really was that bad. Just after the accident in November of 2012, they were told the air they were breathing wasn't dangerous. Now an email from a National Transportation Safety Board hazmat investigator has emerged, and it indicates that toxicity levels were well above the danger zone. Our final stop, Raritan Bay, where marine biologists are monitoring a majestic humpback whale caught in a channel crowded with boats. It's not clear to them whether the beautiful beast is lost or stranded, but they're warning boaters to give it a wide berth. And that's our Garden State Express for Thursday, July 3rd.
Major funding for NJTV News provided in part by New Jersey Manufacturers, Auto Insurance, and more for New Jersey Business and Industry Association members and their employees. New Jersey is